flowers open when they feel the sunlight. Moonrise had changed right before our eyes. Aggressive but softly, you place your lips on my lips. We're each other's vice. Our feelings that go deep, deeper than the touching, deeper than the ocean. So we ain't never rushing through our days or our nights. Ain't no repercussions. Never get enough, I'm only for your consumption. Always rain the most in April. Every scale needs to be stable. Earth keeps spinning around, we're breathing. So thankful, my love for you's habitual, yeah. Not for a moment, but forever. No, it sounds untraditional, yeah. Sweet December's coming round. City's big, but all I found is you're the truest thing in this town, and I want you now. Shadows from the streetlight shades, watching every word you say. Never seen you look that way, and I want you now. Girls around town assemble. The traveler's son, they come asking where he came from, 'cause they've watched him washing his face near the pond. A curious boy, and they wonder where he came from. He says, I've seen the world's most beautiful places. Still I feel as if I'm a walking machine, watching it all through a screen. But ain't nothing in between to me. This might as well not be.